What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bookmark a watch list from Google Finance to your PC or laptop. So if you're on Google Finance and you use Google Finance quite a lot and you have created a watch list or a portfolio, it doesn't matter what, and you want to quickly access this on your PC, it is super simple to do. So on the left hand side here guys, I click the burger menu, and as you can see I have a watch list by the name of MF called mutual funds. If you want to create a watch list, you can click the plus and you can just basically give it a name and add whatever you want inside. So once you create it, it will be an empty watch list, something like this one here, stock. And let's say I'm going to add a stock into this. So I can quickly go to stocks here as an example. And let's say I want to add, for example, this Nvidia here. I can add that in. And if I want to add more, I can quickly go ahead and add more in it as well. So let's say I'm going to add, for example, Apple. And on the lower right hand side, I can add, for example, Tesla, Amazon, or whatever it is I can add there to it. Game, stop. You get the general idea. So once I add these to my watch list, guys, in order to access this, I don't always have to open up this Google Finance and check this watch list to be able to find it. I can save this directly on my PC. So to do that, just simply click the three that's on the upper right hand side of your browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome. Go down to where it says save, cast, and share. And from here, you want to go ahead and create a shortcut. Once you go ahead and create a shortcut, you will see that it actually gives you the name of that watch list, but it might give you your computer name or something. So you can always rename this to whatever you want. So I'm going to rename it to, for example, this, and click on create. And you're going to see that it opens up your file explorer on your computer and saves it directly to your desktop. Now, if I go ahead and close out of this, minimize this, you can see that it's created on my desktop. And at any point in time I want to open that, I can just quickly double click on it. And guess what? It's going to open up right into this specific page here on Google Finance. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.